Guys, today we talk about how can you enable show headline on your LinkedIn Learning app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just don't click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just click on your name. So when you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You go down here, then you click on account settings, you just click on it. So when you click on account settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video, it's going to take a time. So then you click here on visibility here. When you click on it, when you click on visibility, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on edit your profile public here, just click on it. Then you go down here and you come here to headline. Then you click in this sign, then like you see headline is true for us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.